Alexa, turn on my studio lights.
Okay.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how to turn any device into a smart home connected device with one easy step. Stay tuned. Have you ever wished that you could take a device you already own and connect it with your Amazon Alexa or your Google Home Hub? Well, this product right here that I'm about to show you will allow you to connect any device that has an AC input. Alexa, be quiet, and make it a smart home connected device. So I'm gonna show you how to do that in 3 easy steps. Step 1, the first thing you have to do is have some type of assistant that can trigger your smart device. I choose the Amazon. I use that as my assistant, but you also can use the Google Home Hub. I personally like to use Amazon Echo and Alexa products more. Maybe I should stop saying Alexa. You get that, you want to purchase you a smart socket. So the one that I recommend, I'll put it in the description, is the ZetaGuard Smart Hub. This cost me $15. Very simple, very useful product. I own about 4 or 5 of these. And as you can see, all my studio lights are connected with that, whether it be my RGB lights, my TV, my ambient lights I have around my studio, all connected to smart hubs. It's a cheaper route you can go. You know, once you get the Philips Hue, you can afford Philips Hue, you can go down that route. But for now, these are $15 a piece. I picked up 4 or 5 of these and connected all my smart tech to it. My ceiling fans, my TV, everything. So that's the second step you need to do. The third thing you gotta do is download the app. The app that you want to download is called HomeMate. With this specific one, other ones also come with dedicated apps to help you personalize or set up your whole setup. So the one that we use for this one is called HomeMate. So once you open the app, what you'll do, you'll put it into a parent mode by holding the button on the top for 6 seconds. Once you hold it for 6 seconds, it'll bring up saying you need to connect to your Wi-Fi. Once you get to the Wi-Fi, you sync your Wi-Fi with this smart hub. So everything you do with your Amazon Alexa will then be triggered to the smart plug, activate your smart plug. So when I say, Alexa, turn off studio lights, she turns off my studio lights. When I say, Alexa, turn on studio lights, she turns on my studio lights once again. Very easy way, guys, to connect your home to your internet setup so you can have this, so you can voice command everything you want to do. Very cheap, very inexpensive. But guys, if you think this video helped you out, I say I'm gonna bring you guys practical stuff that you can use right now to get your tech game up and popping. This smart plug is 15 bucks from Amazon. Like I said, I'll link this one specific in the description below. And if you want to try it out for yourself to get your TV, your RGB lightings, your fans, anything connected to your home Wi-Fi, pick it up. If you enjoy the content so far and you're new to the channel, like I said before, most of the people viewing my videos are unsubscribers. So do me a huge favor, press the subscribe button. It won't cost you nothing, it helps the channel to grow. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you do decide to subscribe, hit the bell notification. Thank you for watching the video. I'll be back soon with another video. Tech Western Bacon. We out.